too?
But they're the cars.
You know I'm hot.
Oh shit, is this equal, you know? No.
This was brown.
You know I'm hot. She drove the van.
She laughed. That's fine. I think that was brown.
Macau, get off the damn screen! Macau, move, yeah? It's like you're nasty.
No one will honk at us. Oh my god!
Oh, Macau! It's not against the law to do that.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's like free speech.
You're gonna be so stupid when I put it up. Joyce, get the shit out of the damn picture.
That's comedy. Hey! Hey! You want
Oh, too bad!
I want cookies!
Beep, beep.
Hey, farmer.
We were gonna do it like,
Hey, farmer.
like, what are you looking at? What are you
Hey, farmer.
You're not in the screen anyway, so shut up.
They don't have time to read it.
They should be driving like.
Good practice. Whoa.
My house wasn't real.
Get the one.
Yeah, that was another one.
You know I'm hot. It was you.
Keep putting it up.
Hey, wait, you did it before? Everybody started jumping. Yeah, his windows rolled like. You know I'm hot. Oh my god. Oh, it's so funny. The tough guy will work.
No, you won't. That sounds like ass, man.
How many have you had, dude?
Like 7, 8. For a while? Nah.
How many honkers?
Like 8?
Caesar hasn't done it.
Hey, Caesar, you gotta do it.
Oh, yeah, Rachel.
Oh, it's just like the people don't understand English.
Yeah, exactly, huh? Actually, that's the only reason why they don't, huh?
If they look Spanish, you can flip a translation side. Vertical.
Yeah, how do you say honk, Caesar? Caesar.
Someone don't love me. Only good. I love you too! Oh, it's good. I just don't know.
Look at gas Adrian over there. Whoa, that's a big ass one over there.
I need a pee.
No, don't. Not inside.
Run inside.
Not inside. I'm done. Mick, your turn then. Tell yourself.
Tell yourself, come on. Put it up, come on.
Come on, make yourself look classy.
Don't put it on your face.
Oh.
Oh! one, Honk!
Oh my God!
Yeah, I'm going to film that shot. You should. He had to wait for like 60 coats to pass.
Have a one?
Yeah! Oh, you got another one! Put it on it more.
What?
I hate you, Dave. You like doing all my awesome
That's all those guys are girl. Like, no,
guys.
No, honky.
What is the color?
Oh shit, there's some cars. That was only one. I was talking about the car that passed. There's only one car.
First car. Oh,
lady.
stop, Greg. We are ready.
Joycey!
Come on, Joyce.
Go, Joyce.
Now you get really hard.
Come on, man.
No, yeah! Go hot down!
They're running from all the way over there.
What did they do? I didn't even see. Nothing, right? Which one? Like the one that just passed. Huh?
There's a cop?
She doesn't even care.
I bet the cop freaking out on her. He's probably on. So you're violating.
Violating.
You're violating. You're gonna take it. Yeah, study group for the essay.
Who made that?
No, it's just that we're trying to see how many people could read.
It's a math homework. It's a math homework. Probability. All the girls are passing by now.
No.
My nose!
Oh! Let's see, for the bus. Right here.
What's her name? It's not our teacher, right?
Nightingale?
No, I thought it was Nightingale. It's not her.
It's either history, dude. Like social studies. It's alright. Everybody.
All of a sudden, everybody's a guy.
Yeah. What was that, man? Switch it to Grayson and I'll be like... Yeah, Grayson, switch it last That's possible.
Everybody's faces look like they're fish.
They just came off work, that's why.
Oh, you don't think I'm hot?
Yeah, she did. Oh my god, I've eaten it for 8 minutes now.
40 minutes?
8. I thought it only made it took like 30 seconds.
Yeah!
You got a whole freaking buzz.
Over! Hold on! Over! What's that?